Losing. So still this is my window. I was looking, and this is my mom here driving me to school.
School or beach?
Sydney Beach. So these are all the traffic jam. And this signal is green, so now we can go before it was red. So see, there's a little wobbling there. Alright. Oh, look. My mom and dad were laughing when I said we are going to school. And especially I really like this view. Look, all those cars going, all the view. I really like this view, guys. So yeah, you gotta subscribe my channel, and I'll make more. I'll make sure, if you subscribe it, I'll make more video like this. A second stoplight. So yeah, guys, we are in the front of a stoplight. So see, some more cars are there. We are in Spencer of toy cars. Actually, they're really real. So if you like cars, you can just watch some cars videos. If you haven't, now it's the green light. We can go to see all the trees there. It's wobbling a little. Dad, I closed my window, okay?
Okay.
He said, okay, I closed the window. Because of course, when I open the window, my dad's van would drop outside on the live screen, and we couldn't pick it up. All the scars will smash that. Of course, yeah. Now I'm wearing mask up, of course, because I'm going to the beach. My beach door is behind my car, and my swimming thing is right. Look, all this adventure. If you love beach, subscribe my channel. If you want more, look my video every day. So yeah, this is adventure. My car is going around. This is my mom and dad talking in Nepali language. Please talk English.
English only?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I'm recording.
Oh, I see. We are gonna go there. Okay, Mamu. From here we need to go into inside.
In
Not this
Nepali we
one.
have to say mamu. Mamu,
Other
and in
exit,
English we have to say mom.
Yes.
Just say that.
From here you just
You
take
really
the first exit.
Oh, good.
Okay. Nobody there. Go to this side.
Right side?
Right side.
Good.
And that'll be easy for you, you know.
Now, probably you are gonna understand this language. Of course.
हामी अजमान बिच गएको
होइन यताबाट जाने सार्जा त्यहाँबाट गइन्छ नि त हेर्दै गर्दा
Okay, probably my mom and dad,
पहिलो
when
लेभल
they talk, they probably talk
अब
Nepali.
स्लोली लेफ्टमा ल्याऊ यु क्यान टेक
Oh
द
my
लेफ्ट
god, I'm
ओके सर यही
sweating through my
घुमेर पनि
dress.
सिधा जाने हो माथि उकालो
Oh my gosh. Look at all this fun stuff. I really am sweating
यहाँबाट कता जाने सिधै
through
Left,
my
left.
dress.
यहाँबाट लेफ्ट लाउनु
पर्दैन सिधै राउन्ड गरेर सिधै
So,
होइन
yeah.
उता होइन यता
This is my mom and dad driving.
यताबाट लेफ्ट जान त राउन्ड लेफ्ट लगाउनुपर्छ
पर्दैन हो अब यो यताबाट लेफ्ट आउने मान्छे हुन्छ नि त्यो त्यहाँ छलेर अगाडिबाट अप जाने है त
My dad said up and my mom said
Up on the road.
bridge. So yeah, guys, this is really fun adventure about today. And of course, if you know my name,
ल्याऊ
you can just say it in the recording and show me your
माथि
video.
माथि माथि
But this is all for today, guys.